Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuba Moin and I'm from Lab Group C, Evening Subgroup 20, and my seat number is EBP 2001167. My topic is examination of slides of epithelium. Animal has four major categories of tissue, which are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial. An epithelial tissue is also called as epithelium. It occurs as sheets of closely packed cells which cover body surface and line of internal organ. Example: the outer portion of our skin, that is epidermis, is an example of epithelial tissue. Other examples of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue also found in the lines of passage of air sac of lungs, tiny tubes where urine formed in our kidney and digestive tract. Structure and chemical composition. All types of epithelia rest on a thin, delicate and a cellular layer known as basement membrane, basal lamina, which is composed of collagen, protoglycans and glycoprotein. Classification of epithelia on the basis of number of cell layer. Simple epithelia. They have a single layer of cell. They are further classified depending on their shape. Simple squamous epithelial cell. The shape of the cells may be like floor tiles. The shape of the nucleus of the cell may flattened or ovoid, and nucleus is found in center. Example: endothelium, mesothelium and alveolar epithelium. Simple columnar epithelium. They are column or brick shape. Their nucleus may be elongated or columnar in shape. Nucleus is present on basal side of the cell. They may be ciliated. Example: lines of uterus and uterine tubes. Non-ciliated epithelium. Example: gallbladder, stomach and intestine. Simple cuboidal epithelium. This tissue has cells with relatively large amount of cytoplasm with round nucleus in the center of the cell where secretory products are made. Lining of our digestive tracts and air tubes of our lungs, such cells form moist epithelium called mucous membrane, which help our air tube to keep clean lungs by trapping dust and other particles in its secretion. Example: tubules of nephron, surface epithelium of ovary and small ducts of many glands. Pseudostratified epithelium. They may compose from basal cells which are round in shape, whereas columnar cells which are elongated in shape. Location of nucleus varies, giving rise to stratified appearance. Example: they line ostracine tube, nasal cavity and conducting part of respiratory tract. The remaining part of presentation will be presented by my group member Samar Siddiq. Thank you.